I already can't wait to get to my favorite part, and that's the taste test where we get to eat whatever we've been making. So today I'm back with another simple recipe, and we're making some greens in some cream, and with me here are my ingredients. So from this corner, I have some seasoning cubes, some salt, I have my cooking oil, I have some onions, I have my greens, and this is terere alone, but you can also add some spinach, or you can also use some kales or any other greens that you prefer. And finally, I have my cream. So normally I usually do this particular recipe with the milk cream, ile ya after you boil your milk, you collect the cream, unaiweka and you use that really slaps. But I'm pretty sure this is also going to slap. So I'm using some coconut cream. You can also use the cooking cream or any other cream that you may prefer. And without further ado, let's get started. The oil is already hot. I'll go in with my onions. So I'm going to saute this till they turn translucent. Then I'll be back to adding my next ingredient. So now that this is how I like it, I'll go in with my greens. So I'll add kidogo as a mix. Then I'm going to cover this and let them reduce inside. Then I'll be back to adding my other ingredients. So like 2 minutes later, this is what we have. And remember, greens do not take long to cook. So this is almost ready. And now that I'm certain everything is well mixed, I'll go in with my seasoning. I'll start with my cubes. And always remember this contains salt. Then I'm also going to add in some salt. That should be okay. So I'm going to taste if these are ready. They taste amazing and they are also ready. So this has taken me less than 5 minutes. And at this point, I'll go in with my cream. and you can now see how juicy this looks. And I'll switch this off, and this is ready for serving. It's tasty. And as you've seen, this is such an easy recipe. I've served mine with some ugali and an avocado. And let's give this a taste test. So you can see it's creamy, but not as creamy as when you use some whole milk. But the taste is definitely out of this world. This is so good. It tastes so good. Wow. You also don't even need an avocado for this recipe. Well, this tastes like heaven, and I hope you get to give it a try so that you can also feel them out. That's it for today's episode. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.